everyone, what's up? It's Jesse here. Welcome to another installment of Let's Watch Sonic Boom. We are up to episode number 9. Yeah, number 9. Alright, so this is multi-tails, like multitask, like the word multitask. Okay. So what's gonna happen in this episode? Who knows what might happen? Let's see what happens, shall we?
Alright everyone, I've got something very special to share with you.
Please be ice cream, please be ice cream, please be ice cream!
Yes!
Introducing my latest invention!
Ice cream maker?
So help me, Tails, that better be an ice cream maker.
Yes, it should be, yes, ice cream maker, yes. Who the? Oh, Eggman. Oh, Bebop.
Perfect timing! Behold, the cutting edge of defensive technology.
Okay. Oh, a giant dome.
I call it the Village Fortifying Electromagnetic Protective Hemisphere.
Did you say force field?
Domepocalypse?
Oh, okay. Yeah, Domepocalypse.
What is this? Some sort of village fortifying electromagnetic protective hemisphere?
No, it's Domepocalypse.
Oh, good name, but it won't stop me. And by me, I mean Obliterator Pod.
Okay. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Wait, what did Eggman say? I just What did Eggman say? I forgot. Sorry, I just didn't hear Eggman.
Thanks to Domepocalypse, the village threat level has now been lowered from certain doom to probable doom. For
Probable
that,
doom.
We award Tails this Trophy of Valor.
Oh, you got a trophy.
Is this trophy from a youth basketball league?
Sorry, kid, it's all we had.
Okay.
Thank you. Our village is now free of Eggman's tyranny. My foolproof Domepocalypse has neutralized all air attacks forever.
Hooray for Tails!
We're finally safe.
I was told there'd be pie.
I was told it would be fine. Oh, he said aerial attack, not ground attack or underground attack. Oh no! Time to get to work. Wait, what did Sticks pull out? Nunchucks? Oh my god, what are we, Ninja Turtles now? Whoa. Oh, it's using the dome as a backboard. Yeah. Wow. Eggman's gone to work. Look! The ice cream cart!
But it was foolproof.
It can't be foolproof. I got past it. I tried. That came out wrong.
Tails, we have to shut down the dome. It's helping Eggman.
Yeah. But... What?
I can't get to it. Knuckles, shut it down.
Yeah, how would Knuckles shut it down? Oh. Oh, that's a bit heavy. Well, okay. Yeah, good idea. Kids. Ah, nunchucks! Oh, I gotta get myself a pair of nunchucks. Oh. Bang, bang, bang. There we go. All your robots destroyed.
I'm starting to feel like you guys don't want me around. Well, fine. Maybe I'll go. Of my own volition, of course. Completely my idea.
You don't want me around anymore.
Because Domepocalypse was a total disaster, I hereby revoke Tails' Trophy of Valor. Give me that.
Aww.
Whoa. Ease up, everybody. We can't expect Tails to think of every possible outcome.
Yeah.
There's only one guy.
Thanks, Sonic. But they're right. It is all my fault. It never occurred to me that Eggman might attack from underground.
For realizing it's all his fault, and because his name's already on the placard, I hereby award Tails this Trophy of Shame.
Trophy of shame. Aww.
Sonic's right. I can't think of every possible outcome because I am only one guy. But if I could split myself into 5, I could form a brain trust of super scientists.
Okay.
I don't care. So you're gonna buy a set of encyclopedias or what?
Oh, they're door-to-door salesman. Yeah, that. So he's gonna split himself into 5 tails. Okay. But will they... Yeah, 5 tails.
Okay,
5 personalities?
what do we do now? Oh. Yes? I don't know. You're dumb. I'm not. Hey, this wall tastes like dirt.
Ew! Oh no, they became dumb!
Sonic, want to see my new invention?
What the?
Tails, that's not an invention. That's some bottle cap stuck to a gum wrapper.
Yeah.
You seem off today, buddy. Maybe you just need something to eat. I'll run and get you a med burger.
Okay. No, he doesn't know. They'll find out.
Tails? Now, how did you get here so fast? Well, since you've eaten, meet you back at my place?
Okay.
Tails?
He's taking a lot of the hammock.
Oh, good. Help me hang this picture.
Wait. What the? Oh my god! He wrecked the
I like
he wrecked the wall! I like
Hey,
helping.
Tails, wanna play volleyball? Why? Because I
Why?
wanna play. Why?
Why?
I don't know. Why?
Jeez!
On the count of three.
Oh, don't be sick.
2, 1, go! Oh, why didn't you do it?
You didn't say Simon Says.
We're not
Simon
playing
Says?
Simon Says.
Then who is?
I don't know. We better find out before we miss all the fun.
What? Simon Says it's just a game.
Simon Says?
Simon Says, okay.
Listen, buddy. You've been acting a bit weird. You need some rest.
Let's get you to bed.
Oh,
Stop asking me
yeah,
why.
now they just found out.
Why?
Reset. Tails.
Simon's
And
gotta
no,
be around
Tails.
here somewhere. Oh, hey, Tails. Hey, Tails. Hey, Tails.
There's 4
Seem
tails.
odd to you?
Oh, 5. There's 5 tails.
I'm starting to think there might be more than one Tails.
Yep.
Why?
Why?
Tails must have used this to split himself.
That guy's a genius. I'd sure like to meet him someday. I guess each one only has 1/5 of his brain.
Ah,
power.
1/5 of his
That
brain.
explains why they're all so dumb.
They seem pretty smart to me.
This is chasing his tails! And it's
Let's
walking
get them
into
all into
the
this thing so we can
film.
put Tails back together.
Here, Tails. Come on, boy. Look at the ball. Go get it.
Go get the ball. Go get the ball. And no! There's so many tails. No! Oh my gosh! No way! Oh no! They're all free!
That could have gone better.
What happened? Why are there so many tails now? How did it happen? There's too many tails. It's now it's 1. How many tails is it now? Sticks makes a trap, and Knuckles falls for the trap. What the hell? Ouch. What the heck? A fork in a soup? Oh my god. What the? Oh my gosh. They're all like kids.
Guys want to see a cheese puff that looks like the mayor?
What? Okay. Wow. He actually. Wow. That's pretty good, Knuckles.
I'll keep them busy. You guys find that cheese puff that looks like the mayor.
Or not. Eggman singing. Oh no.
You have pudding.
What are you doing here? You trying to sneak attack me?
Why would you call it? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Tails dog. Oh. I don't. Okay, just let's go.
Why would I attack you?
Because that's what enemies do.
Die.
You're funny. Wanna be friends?
Friends, huh? What about Sonic?
Who?
Who?
That's the spirit. Disloyalty is a trait I admire in a toady. Welcome to Team Eggman. First order of business, get me a towel.
Okay. Yeah.
Where's the towel?
What towel?
The towel I asked you for. Get to it.
Okay.
I found pudding.
Oh, pudding. I want some pudding.
Pudding, a towel.
Okay. A small one.
Is this a towel?
What am I supposed to cover with that? Are you making fun of me? Yeah.
Oh my. Please tell me, Tails. Oh my god, please tell me Eggman did not do. Oh my god, I can't believe they asked. over with. You're making fun of me! I'll get that later. I'll get that later right now. How long am I gonna do? I'm almost done. Okay, yeah. Let's continue on with the episode before I fuck myself.
Get there.
Oh, sorry.
Are you making fun of me? Yeah, forget this. I'll do it myself.
Okay, yep. Rip it off. Oh, man. Oh! Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, man. Oh, man. If my mom was actually saw me mess up the couch with pudding, she would flip. Oh, my God. There's pudding everywhere. I doubt there's any left.
We're still missing 5. If we don't find them, we'll get Tails back together.
Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's 15 tails. That's 15. I was wondering how many tails was that, right? Didn't count before.
Hey, losers!
No.
My lair's infested with half-wit foxes. I'm a supervillain, not a babysitting service.
Why would the Tailses go to Eggman's lair?
Yeah.
Apparently because I have pudding.
Mhm.
At least I used to.
Knuckles, you stay here and make sure these guys don't go anywhere. I'll do what I can, but that cheese puff fiasco really hurt my cred.
Oh no, they're making more mess. No. They're bouncing more pudding and destroying it.
Oh, come on! Do I come to your place and destroy stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, bad example. I do
Yeah.
every chance I get.
Oh, is that the shower curtain? Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome, you got all of them.
All right, let's blow this clam bake.
What is clam bake? Elevator music. Yeah, okay, what's next else in these?
Duck.
Duck, goose.
Goose!
Oh, that was a babysitter. Awesome. Oh, daycare.
Well, have fun. It's gonna take me weeks to get that smell out of my eggmobile.
Wait, we don't know how to put Tails back together.
Yeah.
None of us know how to work his machine.
Fine, I'll take a look. But only because I don't want to wake up tomorrow to find a Tails in my bathtub. Again. Interesting.
We'll go back to
Did
that.
you try switching it to reverse?
That simple?
Hey, you're the tech whiz.
Oh
not
my
us.
god. That
Let's get
simple?
those guys inside. Come on, boy.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Tails.
I'm gonna miss being smarter than you, Knuckles.
Yeah.
15. What? Don't you mean, duh. Never mind. Oh, we're back with one tail, thank goodness.
Whoa, that was not smart.
Oh, he's still not smart. Put it back in.
I mean, it wasn't smart of me to think that all I needed were copies of me, when what I really needed was my friends.
Actually, you needed me. Your friends just made things worse.
Yeah.
I better be going. Gotta make a pudding run anyway. Because someone bogarted my whole supply. I'm so mad at you, Tails.
Why?
Ah, sticks. Oh. Okay. Can we just, we should go back to that favorite moment. Oh, man. Oh, man, that's, yeah, that's a really good part. I just love this one.
Is this a towel?
What am I supposed to cover with that? Are you making fun of me? Yeah,
That is definitely the highlight of that episode. Oh my god, they just added they just made a dick joke. Oh man, yeah. That was definitely the highlight of that episode. Really good, by the way. So yeah, anyway, Tails learned that you can't split off into different tails, or else you get 1/5. Just like if you split off into 3, you get 1/3 of your brain, and for 5, like Tails did, 1/5 of your brain. So yeah, multitask. The episode was multi-tails, but it's like multitask. Yeah, multitasking. Yeah. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, that is a really good. I can't believe they added that to the show, the kids show. Oh man, yeah. So that was actually pretty good. I just oh man. Anyway, hope you guys actually liked that episode. And Knuckles the babysitter. Oh my god, Knuckles is actually. You never get to see Knuckles more smarter than Tails. Knuckles is actually smarter than Tails in the episode when he's when Fox Genius is split up into different yeah, different number of tails. And Knuckles is actually pretty smart with the hey, I want to show you this chip that looks like Abraham Lincoln or the mayor, he said, and the Duck Duck Goose. You should be a babysitter. And Eggman, you should take over Eggman's babysitting business, Knuckles. Yeah, there was definitely some good moments in there. Anyway, tell me what you guys think of this episode so far. I'll be yeah, you can actually you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look me up on Twitter if you guys want a shout out or feel free to post a comment down below. I'll be happy to do it. Also, if you guys want to do a Q&A session, send me a question about if you want to ask about me or anything, I'll be happy to answer them. So yeah, anyway, this is Jesse from Jesse Order Productions, and I am signing off. You guys take care of yourselves, okay? Bye.